Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a Python program to find the HCF of two numbers. HCF means GCD, means greatest common divisor, the greatest number which can divide these two numbers. Okay, I have take two variables a and b and take it as an input. Okay, so the greatest number which can divide both two may be the minimum between these two or less than that minimum, not greater than. Okay, so first I will find that minimum. So I will add a condition: if a is less than b, then minimum will be what? A. Okay, else minimum will be what? B. Okay, if a is less than b, then minimum will be a, else minimum will be b. Okay, so here I will take a for loop for I in range, and I will take I from minimum value between a and b to 1. If I want to take from minimum to 1, I will not write here 1, I will write here 0, because you will write here -1. So 0 minus -1 will be 1. The I will be ranging from minimum to 1. And here I will write a condition: if a modulus I is equal to 0 and b modulus I is equal to 0, means when we divide a by I, the remainder comes 0, means a is totally divided by I, and b is also divided by I, then we will say HCF is I. HCF is what? I. So out and here we will break this for loop. Okay, and outside this for loop I will print HCF. So let's run the code. Take the value of a to be 20 and b to be 10. So the greatest common divisor is 10. 10 is dividing both 10 and 20. Take another value like 1 and 7. So what should be the greatest? What should be the GCD? GCD should be 1. So enter 1. Take another number 7 and 21. So 7. Okay, take 49 and 21. Enter 7. Okay. So I hope you understand the question. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.